dear friends, welcome to my show Cooking Bolashela with Dikomitis. Today we're gonna cook Pizzadol. I will explain you immediately. Okay, let's say you wake up shilobinasmeros, dog hungry, and with head pain, ikelespasi, very sick bastard, and how are you eating? You will eat Pizzadol. I will explain you. First of all, we have to put some aspirins over there. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is enough. Then you take spheri. How you say spheri?
Hammer.
Hammer, thank you very much. And kubani. Okay, kubani, then aspirins. And then some syrup. Vicha syrup. How you say syrup?
Zero.
Sirno, like this. Yes. And then take the woody and mix all together now. Like hungry. Now, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, we take the bowl of zimari. 1 balletza zimari and cilindrisi in our mix. Like this. We don't need knife, go away. We don't need you now, okay? And do this, cilindris man, like this. This goloboli. Don't try this at home, okay? This. Okay, and this. And zimari, go like this. Now, don't go away. Zimari is over the Tagani. We go for commercial. Don't change the television. Stay in Mega TV. Television TV. Bye. Okay. Now, we're going to our Zimari and take again the plasti. Not plastimu. Plasti is, how you say plasti? Plastic, okay. Now, and put some ketchup also, and some cheese. Where is cheese of Helsi? This is the cheese of Helsi. Okay, like this, and mix all together now, and put it in the oven or carbona, 200 degrees, 30 minutes, sazumi, 400 minutes, kabiristi or carvuni, okay? Now, the pizza is ready. I have already taken a pizza before and put it in the oven. It's ready. Okay, you can eat 1 piece because it's just 1 piece. Give piece a chance. Okay, you eat it and headache, go away, headache. And thank you very much. Now you're looking perdigi. Bye-bye, and see you next week to cook sandwich. Sandwich, ala Dikomo.